So, have you ever seen this book? Adele's Machinist and Toolmaker's Handybook by Frank D. Graham. It's quite the interesting read. All kinds of drills and sweet lathes. Isn't that sweet? I would love to learn how to operate one of those. I have no idea where you could find one. I do have a garage now, but I have no cash to purchase one. But anyway, it's a really cool book. It's got a lot of neat things and it talks about tooling and how to make different tools. Donura and ball. So, chip and ball, yeah, right? We are three-dimensional beings existing on a planet, revolving around the sun inside a larger galaxy. People with a purpose and a being. It's curious. It's curious. I wonder how we look to a fourth dimensional being. You know, right now we can only see this and experience this ball in 3 dimensions. You can only experience it in 2 dimensions because you're seeing it through a picture, flat screen. But if we could see this ball in like a 4th dimension, I would be able to observe the ball as I see it now. I would also be able to see through the ball, around the ball, where the ball's gone, where the ball might be, where the ball's been, which parts of the ball we share, you know. Obviously there's space. There's still space in between my fingertips and the ball, even though the ball is resting in my hand. There's still other molecules between the ball and my hand. Dead skin, dirt, maybe air. Repulsion forces, the very cells, or the very atoms themselves that make up the material of the ball and my skin cell surface. Right? But how does my skin or my hand even know that the ball is there? Three-dimensional being problems. What it would be like to be a 4th dimension. Well, it would probably be similar to a 3-dimensional interacting with a 2-dimensional, right? Like, if we were this chip and we existed on our 2-dimensional plane, whoa, we'd only see the world in our 2 dimensions, you know? We wouldn't be able to see the 3rd dimension coming up. So that's all we would ever know. All we would ever know would be this, what we see here, looking. Right? And then I'm 3rd dimensional, observing the chip moving around within its 2-dimensional space, doing whatever the chip does. Like chickens, pecking at the dirt, just walking around, just pecking, just doing whatever it does, you know? And I'm watching them do. And I'm trying to figure out how that chip works. How does that chicken or the 2-dimensional creature interact within its space? And then I'm observing it, right? And then something's fourth dimensionally, observing me. And it is doing its types of interactions in my space, right? So, how could we determine a two-dimensional space, right? A two-dimensional creature. How could that exist? Maybe 3 is but the smallest dimensions possible. And that's why we're always looking up.